What's up, YouTube? We're back again. For anybody that hasn't joined us yet, my name is Ozzy and this is Back Again Detailing and Coatings. As you see, we got a really nice CTSV in the shop today, and it's been dropped off for us to go ahead and do a full PPF removal just to get all of this off of here. We're going to be doing a headlight restoration, and then we're just going to do a quick one-step polish and sealant on the front end just to make sure there's no like hard lines, just to make sure it's all blended in, looking good for him. So we're just going to go ahead and jump into that. I know it's going to be a little different, but if you guys like this kind of stuff, please like, subscribe, throw anything in the comments, you know, any suggestions and stuff like that. But let's just go ahead and jump straight to the action. Alright, so what we're going to be doing to take this off is we're going to be using the steamer. Right now we're just waiting for it to get warmed up. As soon as this little red light goes out, we'll be good to go. But it's just pretty simple. You just kind of start on the edges, heat it up, and then you slowly peel back. Definitely not too big of an issue, but let's do it. Alright guys, just wanted to hop on real quick and just explain exactly the technique that we're using. For all the main panels on the side that didn't have all the brown damage on it, we're just using the steamer to heat up the edges, coming in with the plastic razor blade just to give us just enough to where we can actually get our fingers under there and pull. And then we just peel it right off, which leaves practically no adhesive behind. Now on areas that were as bad as this, we had to go ahead and use the razor blade to peel up the edges, and then it just breaks apart as you see right there. So we just ended up just doing a full razor blade all the way across. We didn't peel back. We just kind of let the razor blade do most of the work here in between the steam sessions. But yeah, just wanted to jump on to tell you that when we go ahead and get all the PPF off, we come back and hit it with the 3M adhesive remover, and that just gets it ready for the single step polish. So that's enough for me talking. I'll let you guys jump back into the video, and once again, thank you for joining us. So just like that, we're halfway done with this front bumper, and that is insane side by side. So I mean, the hardest part about this is just anywhere where it has this kind of stuff going on, it just seems to be extremely thin, almost like paper when you're pulling it off. It's just like, I'd almost compare it to like some old tint when I was feeling it. It's just super thin, but yeah, we're getting through it. Just taking a little bit of diligence, taking our time, and just, you know, getting that technique down. But as you guys can see, I mean, it is looking fantastic so far. So remember, once we're done, we're going to go ahead and hit everything with a good one-step polish and sealant. And the headlights are still getting done too, so make sure you stick around for that. So yeah, let's do it. All right, well, here she is all wrapped up, and I just got to say this thing is looking like a brand new car again. That PPF definitely did its job in protecting the front end of this thing and taking all the damage. Once we got it all off, once we did that single step, and once we did this headlights, I mean, we really brought this thing back to life. It was one heck of a 2-day job. Definitely looking forward to other jobs like this, but on to the next one. Once again, if you guys like this kind of thing, please like, comment, share, and we'll see you on the next one.